Hello everyone, this is Dinesh from Team HQ. Going to present you today. The topic is share your GSTIN. First of all, I would like to thank you for your effort in joining this session. We are deeply happy for the way you're cooperating with us, and hopefully this may lead forever, and this cooperation with both of us is as good as possible. So today's topic, as you all know, we are going to see about this GSTIN. Basically, you all will be worried about how to share your GSTIN number with your suppliers and customers, and also in turn, how to receive the GSTIN number from your suppliers and customers. So this obviously will make a tedious process as of your concern, but you all know GoFrugal strongly emphasize on going digital. The similar way we people are here processed the entire thing as simple as possible for you, making it go digital. So I'm here with Mr. Thirmalai Vasan also to help you in this thing. In whatever doubts you're having in this, kindly click on the question mark button in the top so that you can post your queries directly to us. First of all, I will explain everything, the process in this Share My GSTN. Later on, we will give you time to post your questions so that we will pick up the most relevant question. We will obviously answering to all your questions. We will first group everything and answer the questions one by one. So first of all, what is required in this process, in the Share My GSTN process? We all know that GST is going to get rolled out by July 1st. So we all know that every transaction, whatever the transaction it may be, you need this GSTN number. So what the main thing is like, you need to get the details from your suppliers and customers. So the main reason, as I told you earlier, the reason for doing this effort, apart from the GST rollout, we are taking immense care for you people to make this process automated. So as a part, we all know that GoFrugal is associated and developed the alert services. That is the main concern which you are using to process this Share My GSTN option. There are many human errors which we will do. Obviously, we humans have this habit of doing this manual errors. So in order to save the time and lessen your efforts, we are here to make this process fully automatic. Basically, what is the main thing required in this process is like, you need to have this GoFrugal SMS alert services enabled. And also the customers and the suppliers in which your contact master you have edited, they must mandatorily have the mobile number as well as the email ID registered with that. So because whenever you are sending the SMS or email from your HQ, obviously the mobile number and your email ID should be there with the proper data, so that without any hassle, it will directly go to the concerned supplier or the concerned customer. So this mobile number, as I told, this is required for the TIN as well as B2B customers. Okay. I have briefed you those things. What are the main features? As I already told you, by this particular feature, Share My GSTN option, directly the approval will be given from their end. You have to send one request, like it is a to and fro process. First of all, you have to send one request to your supplier or customer directly from HQ. As simple as anything, one link will be sent to your customer or supplier. From that link, they will be, whenever they click that particular link, automatically their GST number, they have to fill one thing, the GST number. Once they fill and submit that form, it will automatically get redirected to your post, to your HQ. In HQ, you can directly, it will directly get synced. I will explain those process in the later slides when I give you the demo. So how you need to do, I will explain you the process on how you need to do. First of all, log into your HQ using the URL and then Go to this search box and type outlet info, or else you can also go to this admin outlet info. In this outlet info, it will show you all the outlet names. Just check the outlet name with the ID one. For many of our customers, it will be by default as HQ or else based on their company name. So you have to click this outlet name, click on HQ. When you click this HQ, that is your outlet name, one window will come. In this particular window, under the GST information tab, you have to check this. Under the GST information tab, you have to make sure that you have entered your GST number perfectly here. Once you enter the GST number here, you have to click on the Share My GST button. Make sure that you have entered your GST number in this particular field. Then only the SMS which you get, which you send to your customer or supplier, that particular SMS will also contain your GST number. So those customer supplier, from that SMS itself, they can take note of your GST number, which I already told you. You need not manually send in external way. Through HQ itself, you can send this. So make sure to enter this your GST number here like this with the data. So once completed this, once you enter the data in this field, click on this Share My GST button. Kindly check this under this GST information tab. To the right of the location type, you are having this button Share My GST. Once you click that, you have to click on this OK button so that your SMS will be triggered to your customer or supplier. Make sure that you are having a SMS balance associated with this alert services. I will explain you that also. Once you are having the SMS balance, say you are having 90 SMS or 100 SMS or 150 SMS, once you click this OK button, the SMS will be triggered to all the customers and suppliers which you are having and registered in your contact master, provided you have to have the details like the mobile number and email ID registered properly. Even when there is a data mismatch, like one mobile number having data like 9 values only, the SMS will not be triggered to that particular customer or supplier. So make sure to have the data entered perfectly and correctly in that particular customer or supplier master. So once you edit this particular thing, once you send, your SMS balance will be detected. Make sure you are having and all the data properly, and also TIN number must be in 15 digits. Now you can directly check your SMS, because what we have done is to make you experience this process, we have added the registered people, those who have registered for this webinar. We have added your customer number, your number here for unmapped it. So when I made this process, you might have directly got the SMS sent to you. So kindly check that particular link. You will be receiving your GST number, which means I have entered my GST number, right? That GST number will be sent to you. Along with that, you will be given one particular link. You have to click that particular link and one form will open. In that form, what you need to do is like you have to properly enter your GST number and save it. Once you do that, the process will get triggered to our HQ. Your HQ account, it will get triggered, and in that what will come, I will show you now. Now I will give 2 minutes time for you. Kindly open that particular link which is sent to you and enter your GST number in that. For a sample demo, you just enter your number. I will show you how it get posted in HQ and get synced. Kindly check your SMS. We have added you in our demo version so that you will be experience this process. In case if you're not having any alert account associated with your HQ, when you click on this share my GST button, you will automatically be redirected to the alerts account page. In this, if you are having an alert account and you have not yet registered with that, I mean you have not linked with the HQ, we have to click here button. In this second option, already have an alert account, click here to link it with HQ. If you don't have an alerts account yet, you have not created any alerts account, you have to click this button, click here to register a new account, and it will automatically get linked with your HQ. So I hope most of you have registered for this and entered your GST number. Now the process, what you need to do is like to check who are have registered the GST number with you using that particular link. You have to go to this reports option and click on this delivery details. When you click this delivery details, you will be notified with who and all have registered and for whom and all the SMS is sent. For these particular people, we have sent it. So these are the people which have registered with us. Here, the delivery status will show you which SMS and all got delivered. So you can check to which customers or suppliers it is delivered and sent. If it is not delivered to those particular people, the status will show us fail. So in that particular case, you can manually send it also. Now, once all your customers or suppliers have entered the GST number using the particular link, to sync that particular GST number to your HQ, you have to go to this GSTIN sync button. When you click this, it will be pop up the GST review option in which you have to select that. Once you select, it will show you the show synced information. Click on the show synced information. this particular option, sync GST number automatically without approval. If you select this particular option, the GST number which your supplier or customer has entered will automatically get synced with your HQ. So it is up to you. If you wish to sync this process automatically, kindly enable this. Now click on the show synced information. Now you could clearly see in the screen these company names, Mr. Baria, Vijay Kumar, they have clicked on their particular link and have updated the GST number. Similarly, when you do the same process by sending the SMS to your supplier or customer, when they register the GST number with the particular using the particular link, the similar way the GSTIN number will get synced to your HQ. You can also, whenever the next moment or the next day, whenever the customers or suppliers are registering using this particular link, you have to click this resync all information again, so that it will again sync. The sync process will again happen and the sync will complete. I will once again explain you the process, how this alert services will work. You have to go to this add-ons and click this GoFrugal alerts. Once you click this GoFrugal alert, it will pop up you with this page. In this, you have to click this go to GoFrugal alert option, which will directly take you to the alerts login page. Now we are directly logged in, so it will take me to this page. If you are not logged in, it will ask you for your login credentials, in which you have to enter your login. The ID which you registered for alert services. You have to click OK and log into this particular thing. For delivery details, whatever SMS you have sent, in order to know those details, whether it is sent to the customer or supplier or not, you can check it using this delivery details option. In this delivery details option, it will obviously show you the list of people to whom you have sent. In this, as I told you before, you can check this delivery status and this status whether it is sent or not. Now, once your customer or supplier has entered their GSTIN number, you have to go to this GSTIN sync option, under which you have to select this GST review button. Once you select, this particular page will open. Kindly note down this option, sync GST number automatically without approval. If you enable this option, all the GST numbers which your customer or supplier has entered will automatically get synced with this HQ. If you have not enabled this option, auto sync, you could see when I disable this option, auto sync is disabled. When you disable this option, manually, whenever the GST number is uploaded by your customer or supplier, you have to approve it manually. If possible, if any of the customer now working on, watching a webinar, not yet have registered, kindly register now. I will give you 2 minutes time. I once again repeat, those who have not registered and uploaded the GST TIN number, kindly upload it now. I will show you the manual approve process. Kindly check your SMS in which you have received one link. Kindly click on the particular link and click that. You will be popped up with a form in which you have to enter your GSTN details and save it. It will automatically get synced to our HQ. Now click on the show synced information button. Now the sync process is completed. You can go back and start your process. So these people have done the GST update now, so that you will be seeing this particular option. You have to select the checkbox. You have to tick this checkbox to approve this particular supplier or customer. After selecting the checkbox, you have to click on this approve button. When you click this approve button, this data which the supplier or customer has entered will get synced to your POS. I have manually removed one particular name in which you have to select. If you need to delete it, if you don't want this particular data to be uploaded, you can select this particular option and click on this delete button so that the data will be deleted. It will ask you with a pop-up deleting confirmation. You can click on OK. This is the simple digitalized process which we have developed for sharing my GSTIN. Now, in order to make the alert pack, which means if many of our customers are already using this alert services by buying the alert pack, if you are not have used the alert services yet, here are the plans. You can go to this link store.gofrugal.com, through which you can make the payment and buy the alert services. You could see the pack details and SMS allocated for those particular pack. In that, you can directly buy and enjoy the alert services. Thank you for your kind cooperation. I hope I have delivered my best for you to understand. Whatever doubts you are having, kindly click on the question mark in the top and post your queries. We will consolidate all the questions and will answer you in a while. Thank you. Thank you for the question, Mr. Sundaram. The question is how to activate the alert process. I will explain you on how to activate the alert process. Kindly hold on. After logging into your HQ, go to the add-ons option. In this, click on the GoFrugal Alerts option. If you have an alert account already associated, it will pop up you with this page, which means already your alert account has been registered and mapped with this particular HQ. If you have not registered yet, I will show you the process how you need to do. If you have not registered yet, kindly follow this process. Go to add-ons, GoFrugal Alerts. When you have not registered, it will directly pop you up with this particular two options. Don't have a GoFrugal Alerts account? Click here to register a new account and link it with HQ. The next option is already have a GoFrugal Alerts account. Click here to link it with HQ. So the question which you asked me is, you have not yet have an created alert account and now you need to create it. So you need to click here in the first option. You need to click here and it will give you the option. When you log in with your HQ, it will directly post with the login credential in this page. It will ask you for the login detail. In this page, you have to click on this sign up option. When you click the sign up option, it will directly give you these details in which you need to give your business name, your registered email ID which is associated with GoFrugal, as well as the mobile number which you have registered. Kindly use the registered email ID and mobile number not to have any duplicates. Thank you for a wonderful question, Mr. Ashok Babu. The question is, this is for retailers or wholesalers? Obviously, this service is both for the retailers as well as wholesalers. The thing is, to all your suppliers, when you click on the Share My GST button, by default, the SMS will be triggered and will be delivered to them. As far as the customers are concerned, you will be having an option called VAT TIN number. In that VAT TIN number, you need to enter that 15-digit number. Once you have registered with that 15-digit number and saved it, which means, say for example, you are having two customers name A and B. In those two customers, you have to have that VAT TIN number field to be entered with the 15-digit number. In that case, when you trigger the SMS, which means when you trigger this Share My GST option, it will go to all your customers, which I already told, provided those 15-digit VAT TIN number should already be entered. If you have not yet entered that particular TIN number for those customers, please edit it and enter that VAT TIN number for those customers. After that, kindly send the Share My GST option so that it will be get delivered to them. Thank you for your question, Mr. Rajendra. The question is, they have already bought an SMS alert plan for a standalone. So what you are asking is like, will it be applicable for HQ? Obviously, yes, you can use that particular alert account, alert balance to send SMS from your HQ, provided your SMS validity should be there and SMS balance should be there. Thank you for your question, Mr. Karthikeyan. The question is, if you want to edit the GST details for vendor, is it possible? So answering to your query, whenever your customer supplier has entered the GST detail from there and you are receiving it and it automatically gets synced to our process, the data will get synced to our HQ. Say for example, the customer has or supplier has wrongly entered the data, it will obviously get posted to a HQ. If you noticed it and found it that a mistake has been done, what you need to do is like go to HQ contact master and from there you can edit the approved and synced GST number. The next question is, you have requested to show the SMS content which is sent to the customer supplier. you might have received the SMS, the same content. That is the same content. Briefly, I mean, precisely, if you need me to tell means I could tell you. That is, it will be posted with your GST number and followed by a link which will ask you to show, I mean, which will ask you to enter the GST detail. The link, let me just precisely tell you the content. Greetings, GSTIN of HQ is the particular number. It will get updated. Kindly update your GSTIN in this link, followed by the particular link with the message powered by GoFrugal. This is how your customer supplier will receive the SMS. Thanks for your question, Mr. Ramakrishna. The question is, if you have forgot the alert user credential, you need not to worry. You can click on the forget password button and you can follow the process through which it will automatically send you the details to a registered email ID. And using that particular link, you can recreate your password and log in with your credentials. Make sure that you are having the proper email ID registered with it, so that using that email ID, you could use this forget password option, like how you will be using for normal accounts like Gmail or Yahoo. The same process, it is very easy. Thanks for your question, Mr. Siles. The question is, if the number registered in your HQ for one particular contact master, say the person name is Ram, for that particular contact, if the number is registered with only 9 digits, the SMS will never be triggered, and also the SMS balance will not be reduced from your account. Make sure to have a 10-digit registered number entered correctly. Thanks for your question, Mr. Balameha. The question is how to send it for suppliers as you have shown it for customers. There is no separate process for the suppliers or customers. Whenever you click that particular option, share my GSTN from the admin outlet info, the details will automatically get triggered to both your customers and suppliers. As I told you, whatever the suppliers who is registered in your HQ, the SMS will automatically get delivered to them. As far as customers are concerned, they should have a 15-digit VAT TIN number properly entered in the particular field. And whenever you send it once, these details will be sent only once. If you resend it, it will show you as duplicate and it will not go to the particular customer or supplier. Or adding any new customers. Say if you are already having 100 customers, you have sent share my GSTN option to them. Though 100 SMS will be sent to those customers or suppliers. If you are adding another 100 or 50 customers or suppliers to your HQ, and if you again send your my GSTN share my GSTN option, the next of customers or suppliers which you have created only will receive the SMS. The first created 100 customers or suppliers will not receive the SMS. Thanks for your question, Mr. Damesh. The question is, can we send mail to suppliers for GST number alert like SMS? That's a good question. You can obviously send, the mail will obviously get triggered to the particular supplier or customer whenever you send this particular SMS. Thanks for your question, Mr. Sundaram. That question is, how do we know that the vendor has entered the correct GST number? Is there any check from GoFrugal side to check with the government side? So answering to this question, as of now, government has not released any portal or any place where we could check where we could validate the particular GST number. So as of this concern, you please request your supplier or customer to enter a valid GST number and please validate it. For this particular option only, while syncing process, we have provided you an option called approve. If you trust and accept it, you can directly click the checkbox and approve it. Whenever you need to give this approval, you can unselect this particular checkbox and get the data synced to your HQ after giving your particular admin approval. Thanks for your question, Mr. Shadi Matthew. The question is, we already have SMS services with our provider, so can we link this process with them? Obviously, yes, you can link this process and you can send it. Regarding this third-party integration, I would like to tell you, if it is a third-party integration and needs to be registered with our services, with our alert services, as I showed you that store.gofrugal.com. In that particular site, you have to select the API integration, third-party API integration. You have to buy that particular pack, and then the sync process will be helped from our side. Thanks for a good question, Mr. Ashok Babu Lokeshwar, and many others who have posted this question. The thing which every customer now is asking to us is, these demo, they are not able to check in your HQ. The thing is, in the next release in a 2 or 3 days, we are going to do this. In the next upcoming release, you are going to receive this option. As a proactive measure, we are now showing you a demo, provided you will also be sent with the help videos in order to make you aware of this particular option, because whenever, as you all know, the GST is going to get rolled out on July 1st, we are hardly having 8 more days. After releasing it and after giving this demo, you will be face some difficulty to update this process. We have exclusively made this demo only to give some awareness to you people to make some corrections like mobile number, as I told, your customer BAT-IN number, make all the corrections within 2 days. So when the next release comes, you can directly make use of this opportunity and send the SMS to your customers or suppliers. Also, make sure whether you have linked your alert services and you have logged in your alert services. And if you are not having any SMS pack, kindly buy SMS pack and send this particular feature, because we have exclusively made this and developed this particular thing in a short period of time to make this possible for you people. So kindly make use of this. Thank you for your Good question, Mr. Shailesh. The question is, if we want to edit supplier contact number in HQ in contact master bulk, is it possible? The thing is, this contact details, you cannot edit it in the bulk update. I will show you the process on how to do this. You have to go to the support migration. Please switch to the screen. I'm showing you in the screen. Check this particular thing. I once again tell you, please switch to the screen. Go to support, migration, master, export or import. In this, click on the data migration. In the choose master, select as distributor. First sheet generation, choose master, distributor, get. Now a data will be downloaded. You can directly download this particular sheet. In the sheet, you can enter your details and you can import it. Using the sheet, you can directly open it and you can import the data, and automatically the data will get uploaded to your HQ. Once you upload all the data in that particular sheet, kindly click on this data migration option and select this choose master as distributor, the one which you are going to do. If you are going to do for the distributor, you have to select this distributor option. If you're going to do it for the customer, you have to select this customer option. Once you select this distributor option, you have to browse the particular path. The data which you have entered, you have to browse that particular path and then click it, it will automatically go. You have to click this upload file and automatically the file will get uploaded. Thanks for your question, Mr. Suraj. The question is, can we edit the GSTN after sync with POS in case the entry is wrong? As I told you about this, the editing option is completely done. You have to go to your contact master, load that particular supplier, click on the update button, and you can edit the GSTN number. By manual, for whoever customer you need, you can directly update. Since this tedious process needs to be resolved, we have provided you with this option, which will directly, whenever the customer or supplier directly enter the data, it will automatically get updated. You can possibly avoid this manual work. We have already got this question. If any number is in D&D, then the message will reach to concerned person. As of now, it is not available since those customer or supplier are manually putting D&D, DNDC, whatever it may be, when they are blocking any SMS like this, it will not get delivered to those suppliers or customers as of alert is concerned. But as I told you, when this SMS alert is triggered, you will also receive an email alert. So in that way, there is not any DNDC restriction for email. So through email, you will be getting that particular link and SMS, which is containing the GSTN details. I hope all your queries has been resolved. We have 2 to 3 minutes left now, so you can kindly post your queries. Whatever the queries may be regarding to GST, regarding to share my GSTN, you can post your queries now. We will sort it out and respond you now. There are 2 more minutes left. Kindly raise any question if you're having. Thanks for your great participation and the questions which you have posted. Hope this session is very useful, and kindly give your valuable suggestions to the team, and you will be receiving the releases in the next few days. Kindly update it and keep in touch with the team HQ. We are here to help you. Thank you.